Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Come on, camera. Let's go, let's go. Okay, get the music on. And we have a new member as well, Patron. Peyton. Are you in the chat, Peyton? Let me know. Let me know. Tesh, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna be nice to you. My goodness. Sheesh. Thought it was gonna be 10, Tesh. 10. Oof. 10. Let's do it. Where's my watch list acting up today? Is it a good time to Bill, you're asking? To for SNTI, is that what you're asking? See if it's a good entry. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, D. Good morning, Jack. Bill, good morning. T. Robert, good morning. River, good morning. Tesh, Ayo. Richard, good morning. Queen, good morning. Azul, good morning. Wes, good morning. Eddie, good morning. Good morning, Stewie. I think Stewie's a bot. Peyton, welcome. You should have the link. If not, just let me know and I'll give it to you in the chat. Alrighty. King, good morning. Mitchell, good morning. Yi, let's cook, please. Let us cook. Yes, before the open. The answer to that question is always gonna depend, right? So it looks really good, right? I think again your entry would have been the break of the downtrend, right? You see that little downtrend that it formed, the white line that goes across like that, that would have been your entry, or the demand zone, or the retest, right? When you're going into the open at a supply zone, that's a known double top, and it's a supply zone, and people might sell at the open. Then the question becomes a lot more complicated than just a simple yes and no. John, good morning. Do you have a live in Discord? No, we do classes in Discord. Sometimes we will do live in Discord, like maybe end of December, beginning of Jan. We're gonna spend more time in Discord because I'm not gonna be on YouTube's. So we're gonna do more stuff in Discord instead. But usually when we leave the stream and go back to Discord, we just type in chat instead. Type in chat. Next GME short squeeze. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Patricia, good morning. You bought the dip trying for more OPTT? Yeah. There are quite a few names this morning that look interesting. Bitcoin, the S&P is green this morning. It's flat, right? Bitcoin, Bitcoin is playing some interesting games that make me feel like we're gonna dip, you know? Like make me feel like we're gonna dip skis, and then when we come back, then we actually do break 100. Like we might visit the 80s or something. That's what Bitcoin is giving me vibes to right now. But we shall see. We shall see. Alrighty. This one sold off. Both of these are just kind of relaxing there. OPTT does look like it has some good support at 67 cents above the 200 and the demand zone. So it's going to need some volume to the upside. KULR, same, right? Has a bit of support at $1.15. But at this point, honestly, we're just waiting for the market to open. The main name for me, though, the one that stands out the most is SNTI. Ayo, Sunny. So SNTI stands out the most to me. I think the only problem for this one is, so when we initially drew this wedge in Discord, the stock was all the way down here, right? All the way closer to $5 is when we posted this little chart in Discord. Now it's testing $6. So yes, it is my favorite, but it's also at resistance. So the question is, do we break that resistance at the open and start cooking? It's up 173% as well, right? So, or the people take profits at the open, right? That's the only thing you have to be mindful of now. Is again, it looks really good, right? It looks like it's forming a mini cup and handle there, doesn't it? Right. So it does look good, right? So we'll see if we can break about $6, 610, and then cook at the open. The other one that looks good as well is PPBT, PPBT, right? It looks good because it's sitting in the demand zone, right? If that thing can hold above $5 as well, that might be a really good thing because it might actually find a way to to say thank you guys. I'm in a demand zone. I'm in a demand zone. Maybe a little blip into that demand zone and then pop at the open, right? So I would say these two are at the top of the list for me for now, going into the open. What's your favorite stock into the open, guys? Let me know. Yeah, there goes SNTI, guys. SNTI says, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. You don't even have to wait till the open. You don't have to wait till the open. I just cook for you now. That being said, don't you worry. Don't you worry, baby. Okay. So if the market was open, this thing would be halting up. Halting up. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. So there goes $6.40. We just made brand new high of the day on SNTI. Right. Good morning, Nikolai. VMAR does. Okay. So for you, Tesla. 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 Doo, doo, doo. Okay. Doo, 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 doo. There are, yeah, so that thing is going for $6.50. $6.50. Here we go. Yup. Destroy that resistance like there was nothing there. See, and Bill, that's why it's a bit more complicated at the open. Yeah. So again, this was our favorite name coming into the open. That thing is cooking now. Woo! SNTI is on fire. On fire now. That thing said, "Don't you ever doubt me again. Don't you ever doubt me again, guys." Whew. If the market was open, this thing would be halted. Good morning, Chapman, Lizzie. Good morning. Ayo, Dan. If you're holding SNTI, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're holding this. Sheesh. SNTI. Okay, let's go to page 3. La 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 la. Okay. 99. Perfect. Perfect. Here you go. I'm just fixing my watch list here. Let's go. You're in at 580. There you go. You got in at 259. Yep. I saw those entries this morning. You sold too soon, but you're green on it, Nikolai. Beautiful. Well done. You just sold now, Tony. Look at that, guys. Again. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. So again, even Luna made money on SNTI, right? So congratulations, guys. Right. That's why we have a community. More opportunities in the morning, probably, right? So now that we've completely destroyed this resistance, chances are we most likely dip at the open. Speaking of the greatest criminal of them all, guys, I have a screenshot I'll show you guys of Grim later today. So again, our favorite name coming into the open, SNTI, right? We broke above the downtrend and we broke above this little resistance we had at $6.10 and then cooked, right? So now with 6 minutes to go and your next resistance is $7.50, chances are we most likely sell off at the open, right? So for now, again, still looks good, but most likely sell off at some point. So just be careful, please. Alrighty. So again, this is the top name coming into the open. We talked about PPBT, right? Just because it's in a demand zone above the 200 EMA, so you want to pay attention to that stuff, right? So this was number two, and I don't know if there's anything else. JCSE looks okay as well, right? Just because again, it's also in a demand zone and it's been consolidating. Usually, what happens, most of the time is if the volume is there, we can see these things like consolidate and pop above that demand zone, right? So for JCSE, if they can find a way to stay above $1.85, that's not horrible either, right? You can see KULR curling above that demand zone now, above $1.50, which we mentioned not too long ago. OPTT is doing the exact same thing, curling above the demand zone, and then ONMD is red. So not the kind of yeah. I don't like the redness going into the open. Yeah, adding more on the Dipskis Grim 512 is your current entry. Yeah, so that was that breakout, right? So again, the break of that trend was closer to $5, so that was a beautiful entry, right? So yeah, now it's gone skis. So love it. Yeah, below the 200. Yeah, I just don't like when things go from green to red. It just doesn't show. It just doesn't show proper momentum coming into the open. Is poop right now. You cut it now, looking for to swing it. Yeah, if that thing can consolidate for the rest of the day, maybe then tonight is the night, right? Especially when there's other things moving like SNTI, people tend to look at the shiny things. Um, People tend to look at the shiny things. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, so you don't have to do it again when the market opens. Please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Alrighty. Here's a little screenshot. Again, I woke up this morning like every other morning, and I saw you guys cooking, and again, there's so many more screenshots we could look at, but this was one of them this morning. I saw a criminal. He's from Australia, but and other criminals, but I couldn't fit the entire screen into this screenshot. But you could see the news for SNTI, right? You could see the news for SNTI. I'm not naming any names, guys. No names. I saw a criminal robbing the markets at 2 a.m. in the morning. Well, actually, 5 a.m. But so you could see the news at the bottom of the screen, right? The news came out, right? So announces positive initial clinical data phase one. Who cares? Who cares what the news is? But then I saw the criminals start to wake up and then start to get in, right? And then other criminals started to get in the building, and I was like, wait, what's happening? Anyways, so SNTI Grim started buying this thing at 255, and then added more in the 230s, right? And then there's a whole bunch of other people getting in, which is amazing. Again, that's what the team is for, right? So Grim and everybody else, Yi, I saw you too. High five. Luna, I saw you. Jay, I saw a whole bunch of you guys. Tony, so congratulations, guys, right? So again, from $2 ish all the way to $7.30 at the higher pre-market, and we might not be done yet, right? So when he picked it up at 230, Sunny, you did, yeah. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out on stuff like this. Ready? Yeah, 223. See, there you go. So again, yeah, that's why it's important to, again, as soon as the news came out, it was posted in Discord, right? So people could look at that and say, "Oh, news is out. What is it doing?" Right? So yeah, yeah. So let's see if we can break above, guys. When the market does open, there's a bit of a supply zone at 730 to 750, which is a typical level, right? See if we can break out at the open, or if we dip skis, right? So we open in 2 minutes. Again, SNTI is on the list to watch in terms of like momentum. We do have a nice downtrend forming now as well. If you look at the algo, right? right? You have a nice little downtrend forming on PP. It's such a weird like take a symbol to give yourself, but anyways, what just happened there? PPBT, that's another one we can keep an eye on. Alrighty, so let's see what it does there. Alrighty, see if we can stay above that demand zone and the 200 EMA. Same thing with JCSE. Let's see if we can stay above that demand zone and curl at the open, and then go from there. There are quite a few more names like OPTT and then KULR. Let me take a look at UAVS as well, because I know this one. I want to pay attention to this one as well, especially if it can consolidate above $10. And then there's the S&P cooking at the into the open actually, but not that I care. But no comment, Grim. No comments. Good morning, CM. Good morning. Yeah, let's go, Gail. Let's go. Yeah. So yeah, spy with the little popsy. You can see that supply zone there for SNTI. Like it's trying to get into that supply zone and break it, but it's supply for a reason. So again, be careful, right? Give it a little bit of time here at the open, please, and thank you. PP is still just sitting there, but it's holding the bottom of the range. So I'd be watching $5. Okay, there we go. So we'll see what happens there. But I think for now, our main focus is SNTI. Just looking at some of the other ones as well, just in case. Yeah, if you're paying attention to JCSE, it doesn't look horrible, other than the fact that it's below the 200. Make sure that thing keeps closing above like $1.75, because if it doesn't, just leave it alone. Righty? Just leave it alone if it's not. Okay, perfect. I'm just and welcome back, PJ. So this one's still just sitting here. Yeah, it needs to start curling. So if you're interested in PPBT, let that thing curl. Alrighty, let it curl, especially off the 200 here. Let it curl first. Again, SNTI is still at the top of the list, but it's also at resistance. But it wants to go though. Right, that thing wants to send it, but it's at resistance. So we need to break and close above that $7.30 and then push for 750. Alrighty, there it goes. That thing's like, wait for me. I know waiting. No closing. I just cook. Yeah, see again, that candle hasn't fully closed yet, and that's the problem. Like it needs to close above 730 first before it's even considered. If you're not in a position, like if you're in a position, you can sit back and relax. You can say, you know what? Yeah, I'm in this already, right? If you're not in it, this is a very common thing that market makers will do is they will push it above that key price, and then you FOMO, and then they push it right back below on the same candle. Technically, it hasn't closed yet, so then you just played yourself, right? So be very careful. What about Fubo, Fire Poke? What about it? What about the Fubo? What are you trying to say? So there's nothing to see on this one here because it's not really curling yet. PPBT is not doing anything there either. KULR, meh. Right, so yeah, let me go ahead and take a look at PRZO. Bob. PRZO. Para zero. For some reason, it doesn't want to open. There we go. Yeah, that thing is also at almost a double top there, though. Yeah, right below $2. This one was fun last week. But yeah, so $2 resistance there, Bob. That thing needs to break above. Yeah, absolutely. Right. So again, and this is why honestly we say like if you're not sure what to do at the open, don't do anything. If you're not sure, just sit on your hands, give it 5 minutes, right? Especially on names like this, like SNTI, right? We said this one was gonna sell off at the open at least. When you run like that into the open and you're sitting at resistance, the chances of you selling off at the open are quite high. right? So the S&P is sitting at all-time highs, guys. So new all-time highs for the market. Isn't that cool? New all-time highs for the markets, guys. All-time highs, all-time highs. Yeah, PRZO just destroyed that $2 resistance. That thing said, you know what, Bob? I support you. Sheesh. $2. So now if you're not in a position, you wait for the retest. Right? Wait for that retest. I'll retest. If that thing can come back to like closer to $1.90 and then give us a cup and handle, that would be perfect. That would be nice. 220. Yeah, but like early pre-market, like 218 Bob. Early pre-market here. So back to SNTI. Kind of looks like we're in a range here, just retesting the bottom of the 200 there and the kernel. So $6.70 for now seems to be a bit of support. But yeah, you can clearly see that it's in a range though. It's not sure what it wants to do. So it's 730 versus $6.70. Like look at the size of these wicks. It's up and down like crazy. So if we can stay above 670, that'd be a good thing. And if we break above 730, that's a really good thing. PRZO still looking okay. Just hit brand new highs. It's $2.20, Bob, and then came back down. Right. So that technically now is a double top with the pre-market high. So again, if you're looking for an entry, that thing needs to give you a retest closer to $1.90. And then cook from there. There goes SNTI, guys. Maybe this candle will finally close above 730 this time. Maybe. Looks like it, doesn't it? Maybe. That thing said nope. There's 2 seconds left on this candle. Looks like they're gonna do it. Yeah, they did it. They did it. Hooray! So if it wants to cook, well, now would be the time to cook. My goodness, the volatility below 730 is again. So this is an easier play for you if you're in a position already, right? Because you can just kind of watch it and move your stop loss up and figure out the range. It's a bit more complicated when you're looking for a brand new position, right? So again, that last candle closed above 730, so that's a good thing. So you kind of expect it to go boom booms, right? So we closed above 730. Technically, it should be cooking, and it kind of is trying to push. 755, 759, back to 750. There it goes again. There it goes again. Just again, just make sure those stop losses, you're moving them up, right? Here we go. My goodness. Look at that. It looks like it's about to send it above all of that, all of those wicks, and then it gets slapped back down, right? So is your next level 840 is what you're looking for? That thing is having a lot of issues there. So it's gonna need to just break above brand new highs there, Grim. Break into new highs, and then I think people are gonna. Yeah, there are a lot of sellers in this range. So the good thing is that it keeps coming back to the upside though. Okay, this one's still selling off. There's nothing to see here. Kind of looks like KULR is holding $1.45. And here's that retest we wanted to see for PRZO, closer to $1.90. It tapped $1.90 exactly, and it's curling back to $2, right? So always wait for the retest on these things, especially at the breakout level, right? So, and that's exactly what's happened with PRZO. So $1.90, and then bouncing back to $2. Alrighty, again, so it looks like it's between this PRZO and SNTI. SNTI is going back and forth again. It'll be interesting though, like if these candles now start closing above $7.30, that'd be a really good thing. But again, on stocks like this though, guys, with that are up 230 something percent, you want to be very careful. Alrighty, fine, guys. I'll take a look at XRP. Why? Because XRP has been cooking all weekend. If you were in the crypto channel, if you were in any channel in Discord, right? Everybody was talking about XRP this weekend. What an absolute monster! This 1 minute chart doesn't do it enough justice, right? So let me do a 5 minute maybe. But this thing has had a really good weekend. A really good weekend. So congratulations if you're holding XRP, guys, or if you've been trading it all weekend. Because I know Josh has, right, crushing it on XRP. So again, congratulations. It looks like that thing just broke into brand new highs, right? So that's amazing. There goes SNTI retesting the top of the range again. So it looks like it's kind of using 730 as a bit of a, a lever now. So that's a good thing. The question is, will it actually break out though? Because it goes to 760 and then it comes back down. Yeah. Was blasting. XRP was blasting. Blasting. Yeah, just be yeah. So you mentioned it this morning, right? So MicroStrategy buys another 15,000 Bitcoin worth $1.5 billion, guys. Right? These dudes are just buying Bitcoin left and right, left and right. So 15,000 Bitcoin, $1.5 billion. Like it's nothing, you know? It's like, oh yeah, let's just buy another $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Let's just do it, you know? Just do it. Yeah. Yep, there you go. So again, SNCI, make sure you're ready. Make sure you have stop losses in place, guys. Because again, you're dealing with retail, right? The longer we sit below that resistance, all of these wicks, the more likely it is that people just start selling, right? So people want to see the breakout, but the longer it sits up there, people are going to start selling this thing. Alrighty, so and you want these candles to close above that 670. 670 is the current base for now. If we create a new low, you're going to see some panicking. Alrighty, so just be careful with that. PRZO is found that support at $1.90 and then bounce back above $2. So that's a good thing. Alrighty. What about Dogecoin? What's your question? What is your question? Looks like JCSE is curling back up there, which is good. Yeah, that's a good recovery. I mean, a good little recovery for BTC, right? Josh, BTC was giving me vibes this morning like it wants to sell off. I think if we close another candle, like a daily candle below 95, I feel like they're gonna do some slapping. There goes PRZO, guys. Again, that dip was perfect. Look at that. So here comes $2.20 again. Now this is a double top, right? Double top at 220. Did anybody buy the dip on PRZO? It just wants you to buy some more. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yeah, 220 double top resistance, guys. Alrighty. SNTI is fighting to stay above $6.70 there, Grim. You have a really good entry. Do you have a stop loss as well, Grim? Or you're just waiting for now? Yeah, I want to see what JCSE does up here. Alrighty. OPTT with a bit of a curl too. Resistance at 74. Come on, SNTI. What are you going to do? So again, 670 support. Okay. Need to fix that as well then. There we go. Okay, perfect. ARQQ. Yeah. It's so much easier for you though because you have that entry, right? So that stop loss could honestly be at any point and you should be okay, right? Because it's looking a bit a little bit sus, right? So we might actually go back and test the low twos now. Maybe go back and test this initial breakout, right? Which is usually what happens. right? This was the breakout that we broke above in the morning that we never retested. So let's see where this last candle closes. And if it doesn't hold above 670, then yeah, we go to the low sixes and retest that. But we shall see. Again, PRZO, solid resistance at 220, but that thing is slowly marching in that direction again. So yeah, if you bought the dipskis on PRZO, I'm sure you're happy. 220 again, 221. You can do it. Damn, Bitcoin just had a fat green candle there. Almost back to 97. Damn. All of this with the S&P losing those gains. That's actually nice to see. Very, very nice to see. Yeah, micro strategies buying up all the Bitcoins. They want to own all the supply, you know? Unbelievable. Okay, perfect. All the Bitcoins. Uh, oh, the news, yeah. Yeah, we have market news. Was it good news or bad news, Dan? Hmm. Good news or bad news? I don't remember. DTSS. Uh, is big on UAVS. There goes XRP, guys. XRP is cooking now. Oof. That thing is cooking now. Damn. What a beautiful looking chart. Dang, dang, dang. No, again, congratulations if you've been holding XRP this whole time, because this thing has required a lot of patience. It's required a lot of patience. A lot of patience. Yeah, that's one that we came into the morning wanting to watch, of course, right? UAVS. UAVS. Yeah, that was yeah, there we go. This name is gonna be a good scalper, but in terms of like, yeah, it's gonna be a good scalper. Um, until it breaks above that Friday high. Alrighty, there's also a bit of a double top at 1050. I'm not quite sure actually. Let me just zoom back. Yeah, we did break above. I thought that was $11. Okay, perfect. Yeah, the reason why I say it's a good scalper is because the volume isn't quite there for it to like continuously run, you know. But if you're holding XRP, type in yes in the chat. I know Raven is, and Yi is, and Josh is, and Cooking. If you're holding XRP, type in yes in the chat. Okay, back to SNTI, guys. SNTI looks like it's retesting that resistance again. So that 750 is still a problem. Yeah, there are quite a lot of you guys, all of you guys actually holding XRP. Wow. Wow. Congratulations, everybody. That's amazing, right? So let me zoom out. Let me zoom out really quickly. Let me zoom out here because I know we're sitting on levels that we haven't been at, right? So at this point, honestly, you're kind of using fibs. Um, yeah, there you go. Binance gives us a more complete looking chart here. Okay, perfect. So that all-time high, this was back in 2017, right? So 2017, that all-time high for XRP was $3.55, 355, and then we broke above that 2021 high, right? So that $2 resistance. So yeah, so $3.55 according to the Binance chart. Binance. Very impressive. So again, congratulations, guys. Alrighty. Hopefully that thing keeps pushing and pushing and pushing. In the mid ones for long term. There you go. Smiling, double the monies. Again, back to there we go, guys. Finally, SNTI. Ooh, wait. That thing should be halted now. Are you finally happy, Grim? You can finally smile now. There you go. $8.50. Finally a breakout. So congratulations if you're in this one, guys. Congrats, congrats, congrats. And it's not stopping, is it? Nope. Here comes $9. Ooh wee. $9. 315%. Isn't that interesting though that like it's not getting halted at all? I mean, it's a good thing, right? It's a really good thing that it's not, constantly halting because that would be annoying. Let's go. Twice your weekly goal, Grim. So, like, how close are you now to the official goal? Because I know you're no longer stalling, are you? You just needed a break. You needed a break, reset, and then come back and push. Did you break above all-time highs? Did Grim break resistance? I think Grim broke resistance. Yeah, $9.10. Honestly, that's okay. It's nice when you get crazy candles like that and it just takes you out of the position because then you don't have to like sabotage yourself. Here you go. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yeah, no, that's how it is though. Think about it, Grim. Like no different than watching a chart, right? No different than you watching a chart and having it have a massive run and then stall, right? You just go sideways, sideways, sideways. You're playing at resistance and then you eventually break out, right? Just like Bitcoin, you know? So here comes a push for brand new highs, guys, for SNTI. Sheesh. My goodness. That thing is cooking now, SNTI. $9.40. On fire. If you made monies in SNTI or if you're still holding SNTI, type in yes in the chat. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. Let's go, yeah. Right. So again, this thing is pushing for 950, guys. $10. Right. You can see when the criminals started getting in Discord. Right. I'm just gonna leave the screenshot here. Right. You can see when the criminals started getting in. Right, in Discord. Right. So there you go. Here you go. Love it. Love it, love it. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Alrighty? Stop missing out. Stop missing out. Let's go, Grim. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Teamwork makes the dream work. 775, 875. Still green. Carry on. That's annoying, but that's okay. Right? It's annoying when you have that target and it hits the target, but yeah, you made gains, so that's fine. So Luna says I begged many times today on SNTI. Now there you go. Congratulations, Luna. You've done really well, right? So again, welcome to the community, and keep cooking, please. Nikolai says the hot guy is on a break. Yeah, they are. PPBT, yeah, it's trying to. I just don't like the way that it's been trending down and now it's below the 200. So yeah, let's see if we can break the downtrend because again, it's still failing at this downtrend that we had earlier, right, Azul? This whole downtrend here, it's continued trending down. So that thing will need to get above that downtrend and the 200 EMA at the same time, right? So $7.74, 475 ish is what it needs to break above. XLM, what do I think about XLM? I mean, XLM follows XRP, right? So what's your position, login master? What's your position in XLM? What is your position? Let us know, and then we can take a look. Looks like it wants to, doesn't it, as well? So there you go. Again, $9.50 to $10 resistance here for SNTI. What's your question for RGTI? I will talk about anything. Just let me know where your position actually is, and then I'll take a look. There goes $10, guys. Almost $9.90. Cooking 350%. Yeah, look at that. Cyberwolf is in at $3, guys. $3.09. I thought you took a break, Grim. Grim doesn't take breaks. Grim pretends he's gonna take a break, and then he smells the market. He looks, he goes on the streets, and then he sees the building. He's like, "Oh my goodness, that looks like a double top." And then it reminds him that he needs to be trading, and then he runs back to the. Then he runs back to the computer. Here we go. So again, anytime a stock like this is approaching $10, you want to be cautious, right? $10 is a big psychological level. A lot of people will start selling between $9.50 and $10, which again makes a lot of sense, right? Especially if you're in the $2 range, in the $3 range. When we start approaching $10 like that, you want to be scaling out, right? Really good run though. Really good run. I guess this stock was our favorite coming into the open for a reason. Even though it was at resistance, it still had those vibes, right? You always pay attention to the name again. Like regardless of how high a stock is, you always pay attention to the stocks that actually look like they're running. They look like they're instead of looking for the dips, because some stocks look like they're dipping and they never come back, right? So that thing is kind of sitting there, Zool, right? Right between the downtrend and the 200 EMA. So it's gonna need to break out. So you got some $5 calls for December 20. Okay, I'll take a look. XRP with a bit of a sell-off, but again, that thing looks amazing. So I don't think anybody's overly concerned about XRP at that price. It looks like we really failed for PRZO, guys, at $2.20, right? Double top resistance and then slow bleed. So and it looks like we're bouncing off the VWAP for now. So right around that 190 again we talked about earlier. So 190 is becoming a bit of support for that thing. PPBT looks like it's trying to cross back above 175. Let's see if this candle actually does end up closing above. That'd be a good thing. It actually looks like it broke above the downtrend, right, Azul? So maybe that'd be it for you. As soon as it broke that downtrend, it's like, okay, bye guys, bye PPBT, bye. You know what I would like, Azul? A retest, and then see if it actually ends up closing above it. Make it a purple day. A purple day. Grim, yes. Yeah, 10-minute breaks. Yeah, Grim doesn't have to work anymore. So the only time you believe that Grim is taking a break, guys, is at like midnight to like 3 a.m. in the morning Australian time, because then it's actually bedtime. Other than that, don't believe him. Even if he's playing golf, he's still gonna check the stonks. So yeah. So again, you can see though, like that 950 for SNTI is a problem, right? If it can break above that, then yeah, we push again. Then we can push again. No, that's yeah. Out of love, Grim. There we go. So 965. 965. Come on, you can do it. We have a new member, guys. Christian, it looks like you're renewing your membership. So your membership should update on its own then, right? I think. So welcome back, Christian. Welcome to Legends. Yeah, there we go, guys. Whoo, that thing said, let me cook. $10 for SNTI. If you're still holding SNTI, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding SNTI, type in yes in the chat. That thing just destroyed $10 again. Obviously, it hasn't closed above it yet, but that thing is crushing it. Crushing it. My goodness. Ooh wee. $10 and 20 cents and 30 cents and 50 cents and more and more. New support at $10? No, not yet, because we haven't really tested $10 to call it support, but it might be a psychological retest level. Yeah. CM, you're still in there? Criminal. The criminal. Love it. Love it. There we go. Okay. There we go. $11, guys. $11. CM is just smiling, waiting for the halt. I'm surprised though that this thing hasn't been halted, not once. It's up 400% and not a single halt. Not a single halt on this thing. Not one. Let's go, Christian. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There should be a link under the community section for you to join us in Discord, Christian. If you can't find it, just let me know and I'll send you one. Alrighty. So there goes 1111, guys. Make a wish. We wish for 1,000%. I'm kidding. Oh my goodness, what an absolute monster SNTI. King, are you in this one? Let me know. 720. There are no sympathy plays to this, I don't think. Not yet. Not that I can see. No sympathy plays, guys. So it would be nice if something was a sympathy play to this, but I don't see anything yet. But now it's all about SNTI. You did, King? Yeah. Dang it. I think you've what happened, King? Because usually you're very good at like jumping in and out and in and out and in and out, even if you missed it. Are you having a bit of like a mental block? Yeah, it's drug 2.0. Shish, 460%, guys. PPBT looks like it's bouncing really nicely after breaking that trend, which is good, right? So Azul, very nice, very, very, very nice. This is what Bitcoin needs to do with resistance, Josh. Whew, that thing is not stopping, guys. That thing said, catch me outside. How about that? 485%. At this point, we might as well just, we might as well, is it finally halted, guys? I think they finally, yeah, it's finally halted. Maybe this is the end now. Is 27 King? No, I get that, yeah. Yeah, it's halted up now. Finally. On fire. Right? Again, if you're not a member yet, guys, you made good money, but damn, $2 more after you sold. That's okay, Knowles. Right? Again, this is not, these are not all the screenshots, but just as the beginning, right? This is when this thing was posted in Discord, guys, right? The news came out, right? The news came out on SNTI. The news was posted in Discord immediately, right? Because we have the right tools, right? And then you could see the members getting in, $2.50, $2.30, right? If you're not a member, you're missing out big time, right? Again, you have the tools, you have the community beside you. Finally, Nikolai, yeah. And you have everything you need, right? So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. Yeah, PRZO is still holding that 190. So as long as it keeps closing above 190, it's not horrible. And then there goes PP, guys, PPBT, right? Again, these were the two favorite names coming into the open, right? SNTI and PPBT. So PPBT looked sus for such a long time until it broke above the downtrend. And then it said, oh, I'm the captain now, right? And now that thing is retesting those the supply zone at the top, right? So Azul is smiling. Yeah, there you go, Luna. Absolutely, that's what a team is for, Luna, right? So there you go, $5.80. Resistance here for PPBT, so be careful. Ready? $5.80. So that looks good. Bitcoin needs to take a lesson from. I still feel like BTC is giving like sell-off vibes. Does anybody get those vibes? Josh, no vibes? Yeah, BTC is giving sell-off vibes, like test the 80s vibes. Anyways, PPBT is like, you know what, guys? It's my turn. I'm just gonna stroll into the supply zone. 590, $6 incoming. That's a pretty good run, actually. Very good run. Very, very, very good run. Yeah. It is down $2. Could have received us deceived some people. All caps. Yeah. Again, when someone's doing that, Bill, don't listen to that. Plus, they're not a member. Plus, they're spamming it. We've never seen that person before, right? So if you're jumping into stuff like that, you're playing with violence. Violence. Yeah. Yeah. As long as they keep closing it above like the main levels, random stuff, like it's completely okay. But if we start closing daily candles below 95, then we have a problem. Yeah. Then we have the problem. Alrighty. Again, SNTI is still halted, guys, so we're waiting for that thing to be unhalted and then go from there. XRP looks good, right? Back to retesting the highs of the day, so congratulations if you're still in that. And then day trading easy. The weekly? Why the weekly? What's your position? Let me know. UAVS again, something that we're still watching. The reason why we ignored this one a bit in the morning was because of the lack of volume. All right, so it needs to break out with some good volume, and then it's going to do what SNTI is doing, because it does have that, yeah. There you go. Yeah, Cyberwolf cooked on that thing. Cyber, what's your name on YouTube? What's your YouTube's name? Sell off after? Not necessarily. It's halted up, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. If you're asking because you're looking for a position, then that's a problem, right? So there goes UAVS. UAVS is like, I want to join the party too, guys. I want to join the party. It will. Exactly, Grim. Exactly, right? Exactly. So if you're gonna jump into stuff like that without anything else, then that's a problem. Please, it's a problem. Yeah, there goes the on halts, guys. So halted at $12.80 and then on halted and drop, right? So the fact that they didn't halt this thing all the way on the way up and then halted it at the top, I think that was a bit of a warning sign, right? That was a bit scary. So there you go. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we. This is just a retest of 11 though. Retest at 9 EMA and then get back above $12. Alrighty. It's very rare that stocks just immediately die at once, right? What I'm trying to say is like it's very rare that a stock goes up so much momentum and then just crashes and then dead. Usually there's a bit of like a second wave, a double top, something, right? And there it goes. There goes $11 to 12.40, 12.50, 12.60, 12.70. Right? It's very rare that a stock that has this much momentum just dies. So there goes $13, 13.40. Ooh, wee. My goodness, guys. Shares 13.60, guys. Oh my days. Oh my goodness. 13.60. So 11.50. Let's go, ST. Well, there you go. So 13.60 at the highest now. Actually, 13.90, almost $14 at the top of that candle. Right? Yeah. So just again, make sure that you're careful though, please. Right? It's gonna be a lot more volatile now. So be very careful. Make sure you're paying yourself on the way up. Right? It's a good quick scalper now. So don't let them hold you down in this stock. Because if they keep closing it below 1280, they might be doing that for a reason. So yeah, hopefully we stay above the 9 EMA though, because that 11 might have been the test. And then push, 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 push. There it goes, 13 again, 1330. $1.60 random stuff. Man, did you buy it in pre-market? That might be the problem. Might be the problem. Yeah, steady climb on the 9 nulls. Yeah. Yep. No, SNTI has definitely been a monster. It's a good way to start the week, right? I've mentioned this multiple times. Let's see here. Dang, did I miss that? I did actually. Okay, sounds good. Okay, there we go. You got stopped our daily goal achieved. Let's go, CF. Give me a high five. Well done. Well done. From 11:35 to 7:60 to 11:35. Beautiful. See, that's what I mean. Oh, 360. That's you. Oh, okay. Good. And again at 220, do you think you should hold? Master, I think again you need to go back and remind yourself of why you got in at 202 and 220, right? So remind yourself, like, why did you get in at 220? Why did you add to that position? Was it because it was a long-term play? If the answer is no, then my advice for you would be pick a level and say, you know what, I'm up this much at 260. What would I be up at 250 or 240? You know what, let me put a stop loss there, right? And then just keep moving it up. Alrighty? So either way, I think you should walk away from that thing in the green, right? So don't let it go red ever, right? Especially since you bought quite a little bit higher, right? XRP is looking amazing, right? So brand new highs, guys. That thing just looks like it's going for all-time highs, doesn't it? It just wants to go. SNTI just hit brand new highs, right? So $14 there to the dot. And there goes an oh my days, guys, $15. Sheesh. A lot of people are gonna have regrets. A lot of people are gonna have regrets. Oh my goodness. Damn. So there you go. I just thought I'd get the retracement, master. Yeah. So yeah, you're in the green though. So you want to make sure that you manage the position properly, right? So keep moving your like your take profit level higher, right? Give it a little bit of room to come down and go up, right? But also try not to let it crash with you, please. Alrighty. Yeah, that is true, Josh. That is true. When you make 300%, no regrets, right? So, whew, 600% for SNTI, guys. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Uh, okay, perfect. There goes $16. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Okay, perfect. I'm surprised. I think the. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. 1650. Here comes $17, guys. Oh my goodness. We're going for $1,000, huh? For 1,000%. 700% now. 700%. Let's go, Grim. Grim is up $2,000 on that FOMO. That last dip to 11, 11.50. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Again, congratulations, guys. I know, Josh. 1,000% is what I meant to say. Yeah, so that looks good. XRP looks good. What else looks good? Anything else? Meh. Right? PP sold off. So make sure you pay yourself on the way up, though, please. Right? Make sure you pay yourself on the way up. Right? Don't just diamond hand. At almost 700% on that at the top there. Almost 700%. So Sumit got in at 580 out at 1650. Congratulations, Sumit. Congrats, congrats, congrats. My goodness. Uh, okay, perfect. Perfecto. 14, 14. Okay, perfect. Nope, not yet. It's Is it halted now? Oh my goodness. That thing said you don't like me anymore, PPBT. Thing said, let me cook Wall Street. Let me cook. Sheesh. uh, let's go, Harry. Yellow candle 9. If you're not sure what that is, just look at the Bulbe How To channel in Discord. All of the information is in there about like the gold candle. And in the last video we did. Yeah, no price prediction for XLM. No price prediction for anything, honestly. Because again, like you'd be looking into a crystal ball, right? You don't want to be like talking about price predictions. That stuff is out of your control. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah. Yes, that's what it means. Yeah, Luna. So this one's halted up, guys, and then SNTI is not halting up. I'm really surprised they did not halt this thing. I'm really surprised they didn't halt it because we basically went from 11 to almost to $17. No halts. Yeah, I am just a toy. Yep. Come on, BTC, get back above 98. You slacker. Get back above. UAVS is still just coiling here. UAVS looks really interesting. Like if that thing had volume, UAVS would be cooking, just like SNTI would be cooking, right? Cooking. And then some really good support for KULR. I think we talked about $1.50 earlier, right? So if it stays above $1.50, not horrible. There goes a sell-off, guys. There goes a sell-off. What's XRP doing now? Still at the top there? Yeah. So 275-ish. At the very, very highs there. 275. Yeah. You're looking for value? Yeah. Z value. Um, yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, for the most part, it's been PPBT, and SNTI this morning. I don't see anything else that's sympathy. You can tell social media is looking for sympathy though. Everybody's looking for sympathy, please. The sympathy, please. S&P. So how far are we? Okay, 68. So 603, 68. Interesting. Okay. Always. Yeah, there we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you're green this morning, type in yes in the chat. If you're having a green morning, type in yes in the chat. Yeah, tech is doing really well today, actually. Very, very well. I'm oh wow, 211. Dang. Really nice push, actually. Very, very nice push. Yes, Yogi. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love it, guys. Green, yes. Love it. Bradley says, I freaking love this group. Let's go. Teamwork makes the dream work, guys. There goes PP, guys. PP is on fire now, 115% as well. And Azul, where are you? Holy Wall Street. Yeah, that thing just said, hey, guys. Uh, yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, Apex. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. So yeah, PPBT is halted up again. $7.22. Your purple? That's what you wanted, right? Yeah, there you go. That's what you wanted. You wanted to be purple. Well, it's done it. Again, all it had to do was break that stupid downtrend and the 200 EMA, right? 475 was it, Azul, right? So 475 to $7.22. That's a pretty nice breakout. So when something is trending down like this, guys, honestly, sometimes you just have to wait. Just let it break out on its own, right? And as soon as it did, it said, thanks, guys, goodbye. So PP said, I want a PP to the moon. Gonskis. You're done for the week, Wall Street? My goodness. Congratulations. Look at this, guys. Everybody is cooking, just cooking. KULR, again, that 150 was nice. Now you have a double top at 170, 171, right? Let's go, Bradley. Congratulations. So if that thing can break out, maybe some volume kicks in as well. And then in terms of like SNTI, again, it's easier if you're in a position. Like this is easy if you're in a position because you can stay longer if you need to. But if you're not, then you're waiting for like a massive dip or just the next breakout. Because if that thing breaks above 17 again, it's going for $20, isn't it? SNTI. Right. So we shall see. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Alrighty. I would appreciate that. Take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Alrighty, stop missing out. Stop missing out. Please. Questions. Options. There you go. I need to close that channel so we don't chat, we don't spam in there. Yeah. No. So Sumit, you just made good money, Sumit. So it's either Discord community, legends, or goats. That's it, right? So become a legend. Become a legend, Sumit. So the soda level doesn't give you access to Discord. Alrighty. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out, big time. Big time, big time. Yeah. Okay, there we go. FOSL has done well too. I think the only reason we've ignored that thing is because we've had other names cooking too, you know? That's it. That is just it. We've had other names cooking as well. Other names cooking as well. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Perfect. On YouTube, no. I have no control over what happens on YouTube. Only in Discord. So that's why your color is purple. Already on YouTube, no. That's all YouTube. I don't have any control about giving anybody membership on YouTube, changing colors, nothing. Everybody stays green on YouTube or blue if you're a mod. Out of my control. YouTube runs the streets. I just talk on YouTube. They run the streets. La, 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 la. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, let's see if we can stay above the 20 again, because I think the 20 has actually been a really good support level for even though we broke below there, the 20 has been really good support for SNTI, right? But yeah, let's see what happens when that thing you know we test that level, and then for PPBT, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted. Fubo's running. Sure. Let's take a look. Yeah, Fubo does look really nice actually. So again, Wes was posting this quite a few times in the swing channel in Discord, right? So if you took it, well, I'm sure you're happy, right? So yeah, if you look at the swing channel in Discord, Wes was all over this one last week. So slow. Okay. There we go. Slow and steady. Are we? Yeah, still halted, guys. Still halted. You're gonna exit on the on halt. Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Unbelievable. Okay. Actually, let's do. Command. Interesting, Cam. You hope it on hold to like $15. Well, 148 for Fubo. Very nice. Yeah, up 10% today. Highs of the day for Fubo, right? So again, Wes was spamming this thing all over Discord last week, right? So again, congratulations if you went into Fubo with Wes. Again, not a massive push, but 10% is nice. Right? We'll take it. We will take it any day of the week. Okay, there we go. A long term is what you look. Yeah. Okay. Virus and what? And thrust. Are you feeling any better, Virus? Feeling any better? Yeah, KULR looks like it's on the verge of wanting to break out, but it doesn't have the volume to do it yet. Not quite yet. There goes a JCSE with a curl and well, I mean more of a breakout, a pop. So that looks good. And then you can see how we're constantly bouncing up the 20 EMA for SNTI for now. 1,000 times better virus. Good, 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 good. You're going yeah tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, so maybe that's what you wanted, virus. Virus is missing home, guys. Really, he just wanted to go home. Uh, yeah. Yeah, exactly, exactly. 360. Absolutely. Damn. Why does it feel like this thing's been halted forever now? Sleeping on KULR? We just talked about it. It's right there. 172. Yeah. What about XRP? XRP looks amazing, right? The next major level you would like XRP to get to is that all-time high, the highest it's ever been, right? $3.55. So it does look really, really good if you're in it already, right? So there we go, guys. Finally on halted PPP. So there you go. PP said my turn, guys. 8:30. Beautiful. So again, it halted up and then it continued pumping higher. So 8:40. So for those of you guys who are looking to take gains, well, there's your chance. You're actually at Wall Street. You're smiling at the monies, aren't you? There you go, 870. That thing said, you know what, Wall Street, I give you more monies. Right there goes $9. Oh my days, that thing is on fire. Oh my goodness, what a way to start the week. It's halted up again, guys. 902. You're kicking your feet. You're at a 9, Azul. Congratulations, Azul. It's halted up again at 902, guys. My goodness. Seriously, though, what a way to start the week. What a way to start the weeks. Uh, Interesting. Tyson, seriously. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe. KULR, maybe only if it breaks out though, right? There's a lot of resistance below 180, so it needs to break out with good volume, and then the answer could be yes. The month December, yeah, it's like Santa, Santa's coming, guys. Santa's like, you guys want a fire week? I give you a fire week. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Yeah, there goes the SNTI. Weakness. Yeah. Lagging stocks have bigger gains. Not true. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. I don't think anything is going to go higher than 700% for SNTI. KULR is not going to go up 700%. So if that's what you're implying, unfortunately, it would be nice though. It would be nice. Good for people to make more monies, right? But don't have that expectation though. It's very rare that we see them, something surpass the main runner. So there goes the break below the 20 and then a sell off, guys. Right? At this point, you look for the 50, right? Closer to $12 on SNTI, and then PPBT still halted. So we wait. Yeah. No, Daily Dose, we've watched these names for so long, and in terms of like sympathy play, it's not always like that, right? And what? And thrust. Let's go, virus. And always pulls back. SNTI. Yeah. Yeah. For now, again, your next little level to watch is that $12. And if it can stay above that, then that's good. Of an investing experience collectively, absolutely, absolutely. So, uh, let's go, Dan. Let's go. Let's go. How's PA this morning, Dan? Just again a reminder, guys. When you have a day like today, make sure you wake up early tomorrow in pre-market, right? Wake up early tomorrow. Again, this morning, SNTI was $2, right? And then $17. So wake up early tomorrow, and join the pre-market criminals. Righty. When the week starts off like this, it usually continues like that. So yeah. Let's go, Cyberwolf. Let's go, let's go. You changed it. Love it. Goals hits, now you can roast. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. I'm happy that you hit the goal though. I'm happy you hit the goal. That's about it. The roasting part, meh. You know? You can buy in pre-market, Terry. Yes, you can. No, that's okay, Wolf. Yeah, you can. You just have to have the right broker, right? Webull, Mumu, Interactive Brokers. Those are the main three that allow you to trade in pre-market. Robinhood, not so much. Yeah. So we're waiting for this one to be unhalted and then go from there. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Uh, when it dips to yeah, Yogi, I like that. Yeah, it's good support. I think Virus was buying MU dips in that same range too, right? Uh, is it a cup and handle for JC? Um, Not necessarily. No. I mean, if we break above, like, so you would need to break above, like, you would need to get back above like $1.95 to confirm that. Uh, yeah. Ayo, Josh. Ayo. What happened? What happened? I get 4 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Robinhood. On Robinhood, like 5 p.m. your time, 5 a.m. 4 a.m. your time. Is that Eastern? Yeah. Knowles? Yeah, probably. Probably. Oh, PST. Yeah. No, I mean 4 a.m. Eastern time. So that would be like 1 a.m. For you, King. That's when the market actually does open. Yeah, that's when it actually opens. A link? Ooh. Ooh, I haven't been checking my DMs this morning. I've been slacking. I've been slacking. I have a few DMs actually I need to get to. Uh, all done. Look at Abdi, guys. Abdi's off 4K today. Telling you, like, the entire community is just cooking, guys. Just cooking. Okay. Generate. Link. Loading. My stuff is super slow today. Super slow. Super slow. It's generating a link here, Josh. Give it a second. Yeah. What do I think of OPTT, Miguel? Are you in a position? Let me know. So it looks like SNTI is bouncing again, right? So as long as it stays above the 50, because I don't think we've actually like if I go all the way down, the last time we were below the 50 was at $5. That's when we were actually at that support range, about to break out, right? That's SNTI. So that little golden orange looking line you see, if it can stay above and keep bouncing above, that's not too bad. Alrighty. Again, XRP looks like it's curling down a little bit below 275, but that's okay though. That thing needs to consolidate. Alrighty, and then Fubo is hitting brand new highs of the day, guys. So again, slow and steady. It's not. It was never meant to be a play that would explode, right? Because the float is 300 million, right? That thing isn't gonna squeeze, but slow and steady is what it can do. Yeah. Let me take a look at OPTT here. OPTTI is just sitting there, right? Sitting there waiting for boomskis, waiting for something to happen. So yeah, there you go, Mike. You're in it as well, Miguel. What's your position? Yeah. So for now, as long as it stays above 60 cents, you're fine, right? If it can stay above 60 cents, you're fine. 60 cents, 60, 60, 60. Alrighty. When to sell it? When to sell SNTI? When did you get in? If you're asking a question like that, is because you probably have a nice entry. When did you get in? When to sell? When to sell it? When did you get in? Let me know. Uh, you got in at 11 and it's at $14. Where's your stop loss now? The one thing that's a guarantee for sure though, don't let it go below 11. Do not let it go below 11. So yeah, again, at the very least, put a stop loss above $11, right? So that could be $13. That could be below. That could be 12. That could be any. Again, don't let it go. Don't let it go below 11 because then you're just losing monies for no reason. Alrighty. Yeah, it looks like it's failing on a bit of a downtrend there. PP's on halted, guys. There goes PP. So a high of almost $10, guys. Oh my days, PP. Woof. That thing said, "Let me cook, guys." There goes $10, 10.20. Oh my goodness, 10.50. Well, it looks like this was the sympathy play, wasn't it? $10.66, guys. Oh my goodness, $11. Damn. Woof. Talk about a monster. My goodness. Again, congratulations, guys. Because you're out at 970. That's okay. You made money though. For so long. There you go. Almost 11 now. Almost 11. If you're holding a PPBT, type in yes in the chat. It's halted up, guys. It's halted up. Halted up. Actually, no, that's the way we're going to do it. Okay. Halted up. Let's go. Congratulations. What price can it go to? To the moon is where I can go to. That should be my response. Every time someone's asking, like, hey, where do you think this thing is going to go to? What price could it go to? To the moon. That's it. Okay, there we go. Hmm. Okay. $4.65. I know you've been waiting for this one to rubbish. No, not rubbish. Uh okay. Yeah, chat in the other channel, guys. Yeah. Okay. So this is halted up. The S&P is going for all-time highs again, guys. And Bitcoin is retesting the highs of the day. Except it's red, so it needs to get from red to green. Right? Red to green is what it needs to do. And then KULR, guys, again, resistance, and it failed, right? So until that thing can break out with volume, it's not ready to do anything yet. Ready? Not quite ready yet, so. Not quite ready. Okay, perfect. Yeah. You sold it for $4.90 for 25 cents. Do not know how to hang on. Well, again, you could always just use move. You could always just move that stop loss higher. How do you know when a stock is halted? When a stock is halted up or down, is halted down. I mean, if it's pumping up and then it stops moving, then it's halted up. And then if it's crashing and then, right? Maybe I don't understand your question. Like, how do you know when a stock is halted up or halted down? It also tells you in Discord, like it tells you if a stock is halted up. If you look at the halt channel, it says halted up or halted down. Right? But for the most part, if a stock is going up and then it just stops going up, then, then yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Let me see if that link is done generating here, Josh. Okay. There you go. It took a long time, my goodness. LEV. Okay. LEV. LEVE. Let's go, Josh.
It's not just you, man.
Is what?
It's not just you.
What happened?
Slow for some reason today too.
Yeah. So today, I don't know. Like my stuff is really slow. Good thing the market isn't slow though. How are you, Josh?
Oh, beautiful, man. Absolutely wonderful. What a spectacular hot trades weekend.
Josh was scalping. I'm surprised Josh woke up today, guys. He was scalping all night.
Oh, you think I'd miss the morning action? Shoot.
Criminals don't sleep, guys. They smell the monies.
Man, that Sunday sell-off was beautiful. Called it like 10 minutes before it happened. Everybody got a chance to take huge profits. It was phenomenal, man. Phenomenal. Hedera and HBAR and XRP this weekend were fire. Yep.
They really were. They really well.
Yeah, what a great way to start the month, you guys. Welcome to Hot Trades. Are you guys entertained?
What happened?
Bitcoin crushed through that resistance, Blaze.
Bitcoin needs to get back above. It needs to get back above 98 and then 100.
I mean, yeah, it does. I agree.
Yes. How do I do the? Yeah. Sorry if you just got an ad, guys. Sorry if you just got an ad. It should be gone in a few seconds. I don't know why I did that, but don't know why I did that. Okay.
I'm trying to find another place to add some XRP. Yeah, I'll tell you what, Blaze. If we get a genuine sell-off on Bitcoin, I think that's going to spark the alt season.
Yeah.
Or at least another burst into alts. But I see what you're saying. I mean, I think as long as we hold the 9 on the daily,
exactly, the daily. Yeah. I don't know. I think they just keep playing games back and forth.
What's a race for accumulation right now?
Yeah, that's true. So I don't know if it's I don't know if it's just distribution or if they're just playing games there. Just playing games.
Well, if you have the power to keep it cheap, you keep it cheap.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that is very true.
Yeah, Rob's a freaking genius, Luna.
Cuts. Okay. My goodness, my stupid computer. Very slow. PPBT is still halted up here, guys. So just waiting. Just waiting. Let's do that and let's do this. It's not working. Okay, let's refresh this.
Man.
Perfect. Raven, I know. Yeah, I know. Like for some reason today it's just been a slow day.
A slow day, you say?
No, and just computer slowness.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There goes
He's not been friendly today.
No. There goes OPTT, guys. I know some of you guys have been waiting and waiting and waiting. So there you go. Finally. So congrats if you were waiting for this one.
Jericho, that really depends on what your long-term outlook on crypto is. I am taking profits, but I'm only doing that on trading positions that I'm trading around core positions that I'm trying to build. I mean, I won't genuinely take profits from my positions probably until June, July, August of next year is where I'll start. I'll be 75% out probably by October. And much of that's going to be determined on, activity. But starting in June, we're going to keep a very, very close eye on things.
Raven, you see this? This is what I have to deal with. Dan's rubbish. After he makes monies, then it's complete roasting. You did, Jericho? That's actually quite nice, selling that beautiful run on XRP to buy BTC. That's a very long-term strategy there.
Yep. I mean, I do that. Yeah, I absolutely do that.
Yeah.
Share your profits. As you're building your trading position, share your profits with BTC. 25, 50%, whatever you can muster. It depends on what you're trying to build for your trading position.
Yeah. LAV is cooking, guys. I mentioned this one earlier at 60%, but then I stopped looking. So it's gone to 160%. Wow. Again, right? If it's a Canadian stock, by the way. So you could say, hooray, it's a Canada. It's actually halted below 50 cents. It's not very common you see a stock get halted below 50 cents.
Good job, Canada.
Canada, guys. Canada. Yeah. That's not very common that a stock gets halted below 50 cents.
I'm going to do a thing.
Yeah. And then the other, oh my God, guys, look at this one now. Look at PP, guys. 300% on PP. Oh my goodness. So from $4 to $13.50 and halted up.
I took a small addition on XRP at 268. Okay.
Scalpies.
Yeah, I'm going to scalp it.
Yeah.
I'm looking for that run to all-time high.
Yeah. Are you still in this one, Wall Street, or did you take Canada invented the halt? Yeah, I mean, Canada invented everything, So yeah, so LEDs.
Candle.
It really is. Look at that. So halted at 1080, guys. Unhalted and boom skis 1350.
Well, it wasn't just boom skis. Look at the bottom of the candle, Blaze.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. Keep going. Look at that.
Yeah, I don't know if it actually
Oh
did.
man,
Yeah, that's crazy.
jeez, they shook that branch, buddy.
They said, "Oh yeah," and said it's.
I see stop losses.
My goodness, that's what Bitcoin needs to do. Bitcoin needs to give us a candle like that to 100.
No, to 106.
Okay, I like that too.
Yeah, 106.
I like that. Billy, are you in that? Are you in KULR? You're still holding it? Wall, oh my goodness. Wall is in the fours, all the way to 13. That's very impressive. Congratulations.
Man, that's insane.
Yeah.
What a day for you, bud. What a day.
Yeah.
Congrats.
We need to, yeah. We need to thrust at some point here. My goodness. Let's go. Uh, no, yeah, it's halted, Mike. Yeah, LEV is halted. Error. Raven, this thing keeps giving me errors today. Error. It's not problem in share, by the way. It's okay. I bet you. Huh. Interesting. Okay.
XLM is moving very well this morning as well. Slow grinder, but it's moving right along.
Mm-hmm.
Gosh, man, everything.
Yeah, it's a good way to start the new month. Good way to start the new week. Good way to start December. You know.
Good way to finish the year.
Yeah. There we go. I like it. In at 48, stop at 40. So in at 40 cents. Okay.
Well, with the low floats, Wall Street, this stuff can happen very, very easily. Market cap on it's still only what, 7 million,
Send it. Spice dipping? Yeah, spice dipping. You know what's crazy is we're hitting all-time highs, yes, but really we're only green by 24 cents for the day. So we could easily go from green to red today on the markets. And then Bitcoin needs to keep cooking. SNTI, guys, as much as we haven't really talked about this, over the last, as much as we did at the open, it still looks really good. Like it's still holding the 50, it's still consolidating. If volume comes, it could push again. But it needs to stay above this bottom side, though. It's a good thing that this 50 is creeping up, because if it breaks below the 15, then garbage. But now, though, it looks fine. Yeah. Gail, PPBT and SNTI were good to you because of Discord. Absolutely, that's what teamwork does, right? Again, like people were getting into these two names early in pre-market, as soon as the news came out.
Eyes everywhere, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the advantage.
Exactly. So love it, Gail. Congratulations. Teamwork makes the dream work. Same thing for Wall Street, right? Love it. Love it. Okay, cool. There we go. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like. While we wait for, oh yeah, this one's on halted now, guys. Right? On halted. And I bet you it's going to halt down, PP. Yeah, it's actually halted down already. 11:43, guys. 11:43. So yeah, halted down now. That was a quick on halt. Same thing with I don't know why I'm doing that. Same thing with the LEV, right? So same thing with LEV. Yeah, that was a bit of a silly halt on this one here. Bit of a silly halt. XRP is going back up because Josh bought it, Okay, fine, we go back up. Fine, we go back up.
How many more dips you want, Blaze? Jeez.
Actually, I don't want any more dips. I've had enough dips.
Yeah, I'm ready to rock and roll, man.
Yeah, me too. I'm ready for Bitcoin to push above 98, 99, and then cook.
Yeah, the 60s put us to sleep, you know.
Yep.
So
Yep. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm just gonna Michael Saylor this stuff, man. Just keep buying the top. I don't care.
Yeah. Yeah, long term. In a year, we won't even worry about these below 100K levels. But I think sometimes you can just get impatient and you just want it to go, and there's nothing wrong with it. But
That's it, man.
yeah,
That's it. Just trying to multiply money. You know,
yeah,
it's what we do. So
yeah, exactly.
we
And
feel
even if
very unproductive when the money's not moving in the right direction.
exactly. And honestly, even if we do sell up to the 80s, like that just creates more buying opportunities. It's not a problem. Everybody knows we're going to be at 100, above 100,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
right? It's just you don't like it when you're in already, and then it's dipping. It's like, okay, you know what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the key is the dollar cost average, man.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Keep some cash on the side wherever you can to make sure that if it does get a significant dip, you get that nice fatty discount, you know.
Exactly. Exactly. Huh, interesting, Virus.
It freaks people out when Bitcoin drops, 10, 15%, 20%, and it's fun because these are obviously people who are not familiar with the crypto market.
Yeah.
Because those used to be a totally normal thing, you know. And if you take advantage of those, you're going to find that virtually every single time it's going to turn out in your favor. Well, actually, every time in history it's turned out in our favor. So,
yeah, absolutely. Virus is picking up puts, Apple puts, Microsoft puts. He's back, guys. He's back. You can tell Virus is feeling better now. Yeah. Did your stop loss hit on that play, Wall Street? Did your stop loss hit? Hope you took some monies off the table.
well, he did. He kept a chunk. He had already taken some profit.
Oh, I see.
James, I'll tell you what. So, given the activity so far, if XRP really does get approved for this stable coin, then I mean the community alone is going to drive the price, but FOMO is going to get really, really crazy for XRP.
The FOMO.
I can't believe I'm even saying that, but
yeah. Yes. Okay, perfect.
See, this is why you can't be a completely rigid trader. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
exactly.
Sometimes those things that you despise them. Damn it, like Mullen, will take that, like make that 40% run. There's no reason not to make little monies on it.
Yeah.
Dumpster fire or not.
Yep.
So the news is supposed to come out on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday.
About the ETF or the XRP thing.
Stablecoin.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
ETFs are still up in the air. I mean, if we were to get them simultaneously, I'm not exactly sure how XRP will respond.
Yeah. Okay.
ETFs add a very strange dynamic to coins price action for a while until they stabilize. Mm-hmm. Like we've seen this with Ethereum. Ethereum had its biggest inflows so far.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. What happened, Dan? Dedicated to who? Oh.
I think he's flirting with you, Blaze. Calling you shorty.
Let's go, Dan. Thank you for the super chat. Let's go. Unbelievable. Intel CEO quit? Oh, well, might as well quit. after running the company to the abyss.
IMTC is just a disaster, man.
Yeah. Maybe long term, maybe, but
yeah, maybe.
Yeah. You can make monies. Are you still in it though, Bill? Like, is that what you're asking for SNTI? I don't like what it's doing because it's breaking below the 50 now. So
yeah, not a fan.
Yeah. Check out HOVR. What's your position? Daily dose of life. What's your position? I'll take a look. Just let me know what your position is.
Last line of defense is holding that 250 or the what was that 1458 line, or no, I'm sorry, 12.
Oh, like the
1258. Sorry, yeah, 1258. That's the last line of defense because that was the previous bottom for a candle. If it breaks below that, it's out of here.
Yeah. Send it. Send it. No position. You're just looking. Okay. XRP looks like it's that 275 is still a bit of a problem there, but it's a good thing that it's retesting it though. HOVR. Okay. You're not in a position, you're just looking for position then. You're kind of sitting at the double top, right? So if I zoom out and look at the daily, your entry was a while ago. Like your entry was either a break above 55 cents or all the way to 25 cents. So now if you look at this, your next resistance is right here, right? So like right below 90 cents is your next level, and then you're looking for this level at $1.05-ish. So if I was interested in this thing and I was in a position, I would wait for a dip ski, or I would wait for a break above this level or that level. Alrighty, just so you don't end up in trouble, because you've missed a lot of the run already. That thing's been running for quite some time now, so you just want to be careful. Please and thank you. Alrighty. Please and thank you. Yeah, so if SNTI can double bottom, like Josh said, above that 1250-ish, then okay, you have a chance, Bill. But yeah, again, it's showing a lot of weakness, right? A lot of weakness. It doesn't even look like the plan we talked about, right, Bill? Right. So there's nothing to like about that thing there. So for now, no. Unless again, so yeah, let's see what happens. Is it too late to buy?
I don't think we've even looked at that this morning. I'm not sure.
HOVR? No, we have not. It's up only 20%. We've had the other names, cooking 600%, 300%, XRP cooking
200%, 100%. Yeah, XRP up 40%.
Yeah. So then we just look at that 20%. It's like, What is that? Yep. Breakout. There we go. Come on.
And H-bar is getting absolutely crazy, Blaze.
HR? Wait, which one's that?
H-bar. HBA.
Oh, H-bar. Yeah.
5x for the month, dude.
That's crazy. Cryptos. Dang, we should have.
Yeah, SNT. Somebody shot SNTI.
That thing said, "Oh, I did it again."
Hey, scoot to the left a little bit, please.
To the left. Yeah.
Oh shoot! Yeah, see, that sucks, man. There's nothing to rely on.
Yeah, there's a lot of room to the downside. Bitcoin just had a fat green candle.
Well, yeah, because it loves you.
Good. It better. Let me take a look at UAVS again, guys. I know we keep going back to this thing. But yeah,
too.
Yeah, they shot it. Yeah, this thing just it just never had that volume. This was meant to be a swing from last week, which it did really well, and then this morning it was at the highs. Yeah. So from 6 to 7 to almost $11 this morning. But yeah. La. Keep going. Come to SFCI. As well. Timothy, yeah, it keeps going back and forth below 50 cents, right? Anytime you're in a stock that's going below, like between 45 and 50, that's resistance. So, H bar. He what's Grim doing? Grim is golfing, or probably learning how to break dance. Do, 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 do. Learning how to break dance.
Yeah, we definitely have to bring Grim to Vegas.
Let's go, Grim. Grim is gonna be that's if Grim's wife lets him come. Grim.
He said he would sneak. He would pretend to be missing for a few days. Say his bike broke down and had to do walkabout, you know.
Yes. I like it. I like it. Whew,
I
this
love
one.
Aussies, man.
Aussie.
They are my favorite people in this whole world.
Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, oi, oi.
There goes XRP looking for brand new all-time highs. You see what happens, guys? Josh bought the dips and then now it's going back to all-time highs.
This is how we do
it.
This is how we do it. It's XRP.
Unbelievable. Okay. QQQ.
Oh, yeah, absolutely, Gail. We could make our way over there, you and me.
278 XRP. Do. Yeah, that thing's cooking. Damn, look at XRP. The last 3 months, look at that. You would have never thought that this thing would. I mean, just the last month, you would have never thought XRP would be doing a 400% run.
Yeah, literally just Moonvember, man.
That thing cooked. That was good for people that had the long-term positions and just forgot about it. That's sometimes what you have to do with crypto. Just forget it. Just buy and forget that you have crypto, and then it just cooks. It goes 380.
Oh, I love all music, Cyber. I don't really get down with gangster rap or like scream metal, but basically everything else I'm totally into.
Oh, YouTube. Oh, that's why you sent the super chat. YouTube finally created the gold thing. Oh, yeah.
What? It's working?
Yeah, it's working, I think.
Oh.
It's very slow today. Wait. What time is left on that? Like 20 minutes still, Dan? Let's go. Wait, how much time is left? Can I see that though? Oh yeah, ends in 20 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay. Yeah.
All right, let's see. Turn this volume off or it's going to be funny over here.
Let's go. And then we can thrust, guys. And then we can thrust. It's not the orange super chat though. It's just the yellow one. So don't send too much. If you send a super chat, don't send too much monies. What are good penny stocks, Miguel? The ones that we talk about. Yeah, it's halted back up again. PBT. Jameson. I'm not the streamer. I don't know, Dan. I just work here. Unbelievable. I just work here. Yeah, that thing is breaking below like 40 cents there, King. Yeah, that thing is not looking hot, is it? Unless it stays about 33 cents, then okay, maybe. But yeah.
I told you they shot it, man. They were done with it. Like
yeah. But yeah, watch 33 cents there, King. How often are you all live? Every single day when the market's open, not on the weekends.
So so Blaze, we have to talk about that, man, because the SEC approved the 24-hour markets.
Yeah. Yeah, 24-hour trading. That's not.
So I think it may be a good idea you start training yourself in my sleep pattern. And once you master it, it's hard at first, but once you master it, you're going to be great. You're going to be great. You will start drinking coffee, which is good if you make proper coffee. No bleach beans.
But it's not good for the health,
It is, actually. I don't know what you're talking about.
No. I mean, like streaming all the time. That's the only downside.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Laughter's good for you, Blaze. I mean, imagine, all the laughs we would get from 24-hour roasting.
Yeah. I wonder what the volume is going to be like,
I'm not sure.
I wonder what the volume
a lot of dirty stuff, I think, is going to happen for a little while.
Yeah.
Come on, break the 280. Let's go.
Yeah. I wonder. Yeah, 280 XRP. So close. So close, guys.
Well, it broke it on a wick, but that was a total scam candle.
Yeah.
Volume is beautiful, and there's no real wall to be spoken of right now. They're they're loading on to the 280 mark, and it's just being eaten.
Yeah.
This is what we saw yesterday too, and the day before that, and the day before that.
Yeah.
And the day before.
And all of a sudden, boom skis.
Yeah, like it's been boom ski every day. Basically 20% a day.
Yep.
I don't know if fragile's the right word. He's actually pretty sturdy, Come to him, Dan.
I'm trying to do better. You guys said be healthy, so I'm trying to find good balance,
I have noticed I have not seen you eat a cookie in a very long time.
See? Exactly. I'm trying to do better.
Yeah.
I ran 40 miles last week, last month.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
40 miles. More than a marathon.
So basically what you're saying is you're probably going to lose because Jax has probably run 80 miles.
No, actually we tied.
Did you really?
Yeah. We tied.
All right. Well, now you just have to exchange gifts.
Yeah. Now we need to run again for December.
That's right.
Yeah. I think we got to a point where we both run a lot, and then it was like, okay, truce,
I've run too much. Do you not feel the same?
Yeah, exactly. It's like, okay, my knees hurt. Your knees hurt? Okay, truce. If you don't run, I'm not gonna run.
Right.
Yeah. Yep.
Jericho, I'm pretty sure that those are famous Amos cookies. I know that the DoubleTree says that they're theirs, but I'm pretty sure they're famous Amos.
Yeah. VCIG.
They are outrageous good cookies, though. My goodness.
Luna, what did you run? So that $5 wall Wall Street, right? From last week, $5, $4.95, but really $5 for VCIG. See if it breaks above that with some volume. See if it breaks out. Let me look at Bitcoin again, Josh. Because it looks like the S&P is coming back. But I know we've looked at the 4 hour, and you can kind of see that range, which is honestly the same thing that it's been doing. So there's really nothing concerning about Bitcoin. But I just want to see what the 4 hour. It looks
just a new level of consolidation.
Yeah, exactly. But
if we can stay above 50, that would be fire.
Exactly. It would be nice if we could maintain the previous bottom here. So, because it looks like if you look at the 4 hour, there's a bit of a base here now. So
yeah, exactly.
Again, these so like 94.8 ish.
I'd like to see a convergence of all of those moving averages to kind of close off the consolidation. And if we can bounce off of that, then it should be a pretty fat move.
Yeah.
That may be enough fuel for us to actually push up. Yeah, I see the lower highs too.
Yeah. That's the only downside, but yeah.
It's kind of a bastard inverted head and shoulders at this point, but
yeah.
We'll see. I think the consolidation game and the accumulation game that's going on right now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how much downside is even possible, Blaze. There's just not enough supply to sell off.
Mm-hmm.
So unless retail gets really, really squirrely, I
Yep.
I don't know. I don't see it.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I am keeping cash on the side. Make no mistake, guys.
Cash.
Like,
Yeah.
because
Yes,
I
yes.
agree. Fundamentally, this looks questionable.
Yeah. But I do agree though. Like I think the like that point of there not being enough like selling pressure coming in to actually cause a sell off. I think that I think at this point for Bitcoin that's more important than the technicals.
Yeah.
But if we do sell off, then it's not a surprise. We know that
No.
yeah, we could potentially test the low 90s again or the 80s, and then the next time we get close to 100, it's done. It's done skis. But yeah, just something to think about.
I mean, I can't say that I wouldn't enjoy, a little spark for an alt season as people are, cycling that cash flow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rotation's going to be a big part of the remainder of this cycle, coming into 2025.
Yeah. Dang, that's a lot of running, Luna. Yeah, there's a fitness channel in Discord, Luna. You can always post like when you run, you can always post it in there. That's why we created the fitness channel, so you could motivate other people. You see other people running and then you want to run. So the fitness channel in Discord, it's almost at the bottom. Yeah, post in there. Post in there. XRP is above 280. So new all-time, well, not new all-time highs, new multi-year high. Multi-year high.
Golf clap. I'll give it a real round of applause when we're, breaking over that 360 line.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
I should have just gone all in at 268.
Mm-hmm.
I was nervous, so I only went half.
Mm-hmm. That was a good dip by you. As soon as you came on stream, yeah, you bought that dip. That was a nice dip buy.
Well, I bought two of them. I bought one at 270 when it was just basically parked there. And then when that candle dipped and then drew back up, I bought on the next candle at 268. That was the most recent one that you saw.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's doing great, man. Crypto generally is doing fantastic. I mean, XLM is up 15%. ADA is up 14%. HBAR is up 53% now. Let's see. Dude, VeChain is up 12%, for goodness sakes. Aave's up 13%. Litecoin up 12%. IOTA's up 27%. Kaya's up 50%. EOS is up 12%. I mean, and ultimately right now, you guys, I would say that there are a whole bunch of cryptos that are on sale. Like SHIB is down almost 10%, Pepe down 10%, Tao's down 7.4%, Virtual's down 6%, SEI's down 6%. So much opportunity right now, so much.
Pump it. Dang, XRP is like, you know what? I finally broke above
290. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
What's stopping me now? It says,
yeah.
What's stopping now, Crystal? Good morning. You okay? Good morning. Yup. XRP. Do that. Yeah. My goodness, what a run. I was not expecting this type of run for XRP at all.
You didn't believe in us.
I was not expecting that at all.
It's okay. God did.
God did.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, Christo. Good morning, man. Oh, Sayulita, huh? That doesn't suck. Hey, do me a favor and have a pina colada for me. It is my or a sex on the beach. That is also fantastic. What in the world? Oh, a rum runner. I tried that for the first time. Boy, those things are delicious. It seems like the perfect beach drink.
There you go.
You know what? Hell, have one of each. You know, why not? We're on the beach.
Yes, you have multiple days, Crystal.
Nice job, Regina. That's fantastic.
Congratulations. My goodness. Ooh, we. Ayo, Pyro. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, real. Those things are no joke. You're not wrong.
Okay.
The fruit juice barely cuts it. You know?
Oh, dang. This thing came
One
all the way
again.
back up.
Look at that. Jeez, O'Criman.
Damn.
That was really fast consolidation on that one.
Yeah. Thing said, yeah, guys, that's it. That's your dip. I'm going to give you $17 too.
You got 10%. Congratulations. That's awesome, Regina.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, since $1.41. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Ooh, BTC is back below 97 again. BTC is confirming the dipskis. I'm kidding. But yeah.
I don't trust you, Blaze.
Josh doesn't want the dipskis.
No, I mean, I'll take it, I guess.
No, Josh, we're still fine for now as long as we stay above like that 95, 94. Only if we break below that, then we can count it. Have been over the yeah, no, not quite yet. For now, it looks like kind of looks like a double top, doesn't it? But that was a pretty good pop, though. Really good pop, Wall Street. Very, very good pop. QNRX, yeah, I think yeah, so this one failed that resistance, guys. VCIG, right? Surprise? No, not really. Right, and then QNRX was spammed by the bot a while ago, right? I kind of mentioned it, but never pulled it up. So, yeah, there goes a break above $1. So, and then $1.20 is your next resistance there. QNRX. King, did you get into this one? I hope you did, because I know you've been waiting for something to cook for you, right? So I hope you got in.
Surf fishing. Cool, man. Awesome.
Here we go. Firepoke, what about NVIDIA? What's your question? SMCI is at the highs of the day? Ooh. Ooh. Bring the monies, Azul. Bring the monies. No. Yeah, Azul has been giving non-financial advice on that one. And it's been making money. So there goes QNRX. Yeah. SMCI.
Right on. That was nice profits on XRP trade.
Yeah.
Love that.
Okay. Okay, there you go. 660s. 1231 660s. Damn. So that's a very like you took profits out of them, Jameson, or what? There goes new highs for QNRX. SNTI, yeah, that thing really got shot because it really died, right? And that's what happens when you break below the bottoms like that, right? Hopefully you didn't get in, Bill. Hopefully you didn't, because that didn't fit any of the plan we talked about, right? Looked like garbage. Like garbage.
Dude, this is unacceptable.
What is?
Well, I mean, I took my profits at 284 on XRP on my trading position.
Okay.
I was expecting it to sell off to right about 270.
Oh.
To do it. Like what?
Give it. Josh is impatient with scalping XRP as I'm impatient with Bitcoin not getting above 100 yet.
Oh, I'm far more impatient with this. Yeah. You know, when I'm not here with you, I'm actually screaming to myself still. It doesn't matter. Like, what are you doing?
Yep. Swings. Oh, that's why 9. Okay.
My goodness, man. I think Hedera is going to break 30 cents.
Hedera. Hedera.
Yeah, 2 weeks I've been talking about that thing, you know.
Yeah. There we go. NVDA should pop soon. Well, QNRX is cooking right now, so that thing is giving SNTI vibes. Is it going to do the same thing? QNRX? Maybe. Probably not, but maybe.
I mean, it's solid volume. If the volume can keep up, possibly.
Yeah. Retail volumes. Did you get into this one, Wes? Because I know you were spamming it as well. Anybody holding QNRX in the chat? Maybe Brett. Sounds good. Sounds good. Interesting. AOOB. You're scaling in? Okay, I see. Due to illiquid volume. What platform is that? Yeah, sometimes brokers do that. SPRC with a bit of a pop. 1:37, guys. Okay, well, how much time? 10 more minutes? 10, 20 minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off and do some one-on-ones. Who do I have one-on-ones for today?
Not me.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Okay. First Trade. Oh, I've never heard of those guys.
Me either.
Yeah. So Wall Street. So Webull, Robinhood, TD, Interactive Brokers,
E-Trade.
E-Trade. Yeah, those are the Mumu. Yeah, those are the top ones. Top.
I remember Mumu.
Yeah. There you go, Luna. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Microsoft virus already? Okay.
Darn it.
Microsoft puts. Okay, perfect. It's a discount program. Okay. I try and stay away from stuff like that, Luna. Which one broker has absolutely no fee and allows 4 a.m. trading? Webull. Webull and Interactive Brokers. And
Right.
Mumu probably.
I took another trade entry at 276. That's all it would give me.
276. Okay, yeah. Let's see if this thing maybe dips and holds above $1. QNRX for you, King. It's actually halted down. Sheesh. Interesting. But again, it's a penny stock, so a drop from like 135 to 110 is a big drop.
Azul, were you playing options on SMCI also? Or were you just trading shares or what? Oh, my pleasure, Luna.
Let's go. Print.
I don't even have to ask Blaze, Luna. I see it in chat. Wonderful day today.
Yeah.
You know, not bad for a 24-hour turnaround as a Hot Trades member, I'd say.
Nice.
Membership paid.
$1.10. Okay. Sounds good. Good morning, Monty. Hello, hello. A few years ago. Fubo does? Yeah, that was a good shout. Super slow, but good shout. Good shout. Let's see. Okay. There you go. Jameson, no. Did you ask about? No, I haven't looked. Did you want me to look at it? ET again. What's your question on OPTT? Let us know. Let us know. SPY with some dipskis. It's almost like not SPY. Almost like SPY and Bitcoin are almost inverse now. One goes down, the other one goes up. Funny. And SPY goes up, Bitcoin goes down.
Everything's confused right now. It's like, wait a minute, this is the first day of the month, and look what's happening to everything. All the hedge funds are running around like chickens with their heads cut off because things they've shorted for months are up 500%. And
I do wonder if there's, if we see the usual, like going into the end of the year, people like banks locking in some gains.
Without a doubt.
Yeah. Some sell-offs.
Now, the other side of it is they've had a record profitable year.
Yeah.
So the other side of it is they may actually be selling off losses too. So
yeah.
Lots and lots and lots of liquidation to kind of shelter some of that tax burden.
ET, don't necessarily care about the earnings release. I mostly care about the price action. And it's up 35%. I'm not sure if you're in this thing. If you are, and then okay, we can kind of talk about it from the point of view that you're in it. But again, I mentioned earlier that if this thing was below, again, you can see that resistance, right? So to me, if I were you, I wouldn't necessarily care about the earnings more than I care about resistance, right?
No doubt.
Like it's been failing here for months now. Like what right below, we can call it 90, right below 80 cents, right? So for now, I think your main concern, you're in at 30 cents. Okay, beautiful, right? So you have a really good entry. Set a stop loss somewhere. Try not to let that thing go below 50 cents, right? And then 80 cents is your next big resistance. If it breaks above that, okay, then $1 is next. But again, you have a really good entry. Manage it properly, right? And then see if we can break resistance. Alrighty, forget about the earnings report. Forget about it. Alrighty. Sure, BTC. SPY. Come on, give us new SPY's 30 cents from new all-time highs again, guys. 30 cents. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Yeah, QQQ is breaking out, yeah. Breaking out. BNOX with a bit of a pop there. BNOX. Lacking the volume though. Needs a bit more volume. Is it halted down? Yeah, Nikolai. Yeah. It could be flexing. It could be off the 200 EMA. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. That would also almost be actually that would also be like the last time we consolidated was in this range before the breakout, the boom, right? So yeah, SNTI could be of $9.50 there. Could be. Uh, yep. Here we go. LEV. Okay. Sounds good. SPY just made. Okay, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. We were 10 with less 10 cents away. Let's call it 10 cents. Big spiky. So yeah, SPY spiking and Bitcoin opposite way. Opposite. So yeah, again, this is why we keep saying like maybe BTC is gonna get slapped a little bit, because it's showing the signs. Like it's showing the signs of like distribution, but it's also not really broken down yet that we could say it's confirmed. So it's 50-50 at this point, but it's definitely showing some weakness. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin break below 55, not 55. Josh almost had a heart attack. 95.
Blaze, you have to read the numbers on the chart, man.
Sorry. Subconsciously, maybe that's what I want. Sorry. Uh,
Good heavens.
I know, right? There goes new all-time highs for the markets, guys. QQQ just hit new all-time highs. SPY just hit new all-time highs. All-time highs all over the place, guys. So you can smile again. Smile. Smile. SoFi, I'll take a look. 20. The Nasdaq, bad news and got out. Expired end of the month. Oh yeah, yeah, he would be. He would be. Okay. SoFi. A lot of people have really enjoyed SoFi as a long-term investment, and it's rewarded them really nicely. Everybody was like, "Oh my goodness, SoFi is a good long-term investment at $8." Well, it ran all the way to almost $17. SoFi looks amazing, right? The only concern here is you have a double top. Friday high is the same high as today. So if you're in a position, cool, fine. If you're not in a position, that thing needs to break out, right? Again, Friday was 1661 all-time high. Today, this is the exact same number, almost, and then backed off. So it needs to break above that. So Jameson, I don't know what you're looking for though. So again, if you're in a position, that's fine, right? This might just be like a 1-day retest and then boom skis. But if you're not in a position, you might as well wait for the dip or wait for the breakout. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Yes. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. We have about 8 more minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off and go do some one-on-ones. Yeah, so smash a like if you haven't already. XRP is giving a proper dip this time, maybe a retest of like 250. 250s and then maybe a proper curl at that point. But yeah, deep skis. And then SNTI is still just playing with the 200 EMA. So if it can stay above it, keep closing above that 200, there's a chance that it runs again. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Perfect. No, I know. I know, Jameson. Yeah, 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 yeah. Any last questions, guys?
Man, it's going to be a wild day.
Yep. Okay, perfect. $20 SoFi calls. Oh, okay, yeah, it needs to break out then. Like really, really needs to break out for you. It looks like everything's kind of slowing down into lunchtime too. Are you holding puts or calls? As a swing trade, like you're buying shares, Luna, or what? Let me know. Yeah, that looked like a Canadian symbol, but it's not. F with $16,000 in it. I'm using it towards your first home purchase in 2026 instead of without it growing. What are some good safe stocks to buy? No such thing as a safe stock to buy. Really good idea though, right? Instead of it sitting there, it's good for you to put it to work, right? If I were you, I would do like if you're looking for safe, then I would do like some. Are you if FHSA? That's a Canadian thing, isn't it? I think so. Uh, is it? Or is this for you guys, Josh? I think it's a Canadian thing. Uh, sure. It's a Canadian thing. Yeah, it's a Canadian. Oh, yeah, okay, it's a Canadian thing. So yeah, first home. Yeah, so it's a Canadian thing. So if I were you, yeah, if I were you, I would be looking at like VFV. I look at something like that. But again, like if you're doing that, just remember that there's nothing safe, right? But I do agree that letting your money sit there is not the best thing, right? I'm sure there's some other safer things you could do, right? But yeah, the reason I say VFV is because it's Canadian. Okay, there you go. No, VFV. It's not. It's the S&P. It's the Vanguard ETF for the S&P basically, but it's Canadian. Exactly. That's what I'm saying, right, Luna? Yeah. So VFV is just the S&P, an ETF, right? So if you're looking for safe because you need that money to buy a home, right? So then you kind of want it to be a little bit safer, you know, because like trying to pick an individual stock with your monies, it might not be the safest thing. There goes the markets, guys, hitting all-time highs again. I don't care about profit. I'll take anything. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. So that would be a good thing for you then. That's the only Canadian ETF that I hold. Other than that, I don't care about anything else Canadian. I'm sure there's some other good Canadian ones, but I could care less. That's the only one that I have. Everything else is yeah. And SNTI is still just consolidating above that 950. No, no, Jameson. No, I am not. BGLC just exploded. Again, if you are watching this in Discord, congratulations, guys. Alrighty, BGLC. People are just rotating like today. Like people are rotating quick and quick and quick. Like look at this one. This one just got posted in Discord like a few minutes ago, right? Below 50 cents, obviously, right? When that alert came through, below 30 cents actually. So below 30 cents to halt it at 51 cents. Like it moved quick. Oh my goodness. That thing moved very quickly. So again, if you're paying attention to the bot in Discord, you're happy because it is moving like crazy. Never tired of winning. Actually, I was taking it to 2026. Yeah, there you go. So you need the money to grow, right? So yeah, not a bad idea at all. NVDA. Okay, sounds good. Virus is looking for some NVIDIA 135 puts. Okay, yeah, that's sounds good. Yeah, some of these ones are. This is the second stock that's halted at 50 cents and then crashed out at the unhalt. So quick scalpies then. Quick scalp. Is it halted up or down? It's halted down. Halted down. Again, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off so I can go do some one-on-ones already. So I'm not late again because I'm always late.
You are always late.
I'm always late. Unbelievable.
That's all right. Good things come to those who wait, right?
Yeah, exactly. Oof, damn Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting slapped again. We're about to break below 96. Yeah, it's doing the complete opposite of SPY, Josh. Complete opposite. But, so yeah, SPY.
I'm not
Also,
scared.
no, absolutely not.
Like I said, man, this could spur alt season, and like I wouldn't mind seeing a 10% swing in Bitcoin dominance right now.
Mhm.
Does the portfolio a world of good.
Strong dollar, WTI. Uh, Even after hours, or there's too much time to talk about after hours, Bill. Way too much time for now. Your main focus is holding 950, right? That 200 EMA. As long as it holds above that and it's curling, there's a chance that it rallies, right? In terms of after hours, that is way too early to be looking at after hours. Way too early. Thoughts on Wolf are going to at that golden bucket. Wolf. Let's take a look. Whoa, 1180 is what you're looking for. What did you get, Lee? What did you get into this thing at? Yeah, 1180. You got in at 9? Oh, beautiful. Okay, good. Good. Yeah, it's like 1180, 1150, more like 1150, right? But yeah, your $9 entry is really good. I think for now, again, as much as you're waiting for, that's what that 1180. If it can stay above $10, that's perfect, right? I think if I was in at $9, that would be my main concern for now. Just staying above, $10. That would be it.
Maybe.
Yeah. That would be it. No. Oh, Not bad. Okay, perfect. Not bad at all. There we go. You're welcome. Alrighty, guys. Let me go do some one-on-ones. Josh, thank you very much. Keep making money. Josh is busy. Josh is focused on scalps, guys.
Dude,
Scalps.
I'm trying to crush this XRP trade.
Scalping the markets.
Yeah, much love to you guys. It was great to see you as always.
Let's go.
We'll see you in Discord.
Absolutely. Bye, Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Bye, Rachel. Bye. And there you go. And yeah, so there goes SNTI, right? SNTI, your main concern for now is holding above this and then slowly cooking to the upside because it's looking better. Right. Thank you, Azul. Jameson, see you guys in Discord. Luna, keep cooking, please. Jericho, stay green, not greedy. Bye, CM. See you in Discord. Troy, Tomato Rock. Yeah, probably. As soon as we hop off, it's gonna Tomato Rock. Ready? So again, SNTI doesn't look completely dead yet, especially if it can stay above the 200 EMA. If it can, good. Alrighty, so we'll keep tracking this one and then go from there. Much love, everybody. Be safe, and I'll catch you guys in Discord. Alrighty, guys. Bye, everybody. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye, Dan.